Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. A bench of 3 judges of this court in the case Rajkumar Nagpal Supra allowed the appeal insofar as it held that the SEBI circular would have retrospective application. Stop. However, this court noted that the RCFL RP was extremely beneficial to debenture holders in as much that for those with exposure up to rupees 10 lakhs would receive 100% of their principal amount, whereas those with exposure of more than rupees 10 lakhs would receive 29.96% of the principal amount, which is greater than the amount of recovery made by secured lenders who would receive 24.96% of the principal amount. Stop. This court therefore, in exercise of its power under Article 142 of the Constitution of India, approved the RCFL RF with the caveat that the dissenting debenture holders would be provided as option to either accept the plan or stand outside plan and pursue other legal means to recover their entitled dues. Stop. In light of the decision in the case, approve the RP as had been done by this court under Article 142 of the Constitution of India in the case of Rajkumar Nagpal Supra could not be done by the High Court in exercise of its inherent powers under Section 151 of the CPC. Stop. Hence, these appeals that the High Court itself has observed that this court had found that the RP in the case of RCFL was beneficial to the debenture holders up to the exposure threshold of rupees 10 lakhs. Stop. It is submitted that if the RP in which is a sister concern of RCFL is accepted, debenture holders having an exposure of up to rupees 5 lakhs would receive 100% of the principal amount. Stop. It is submitted that even as per Bank of Baroda, which is the lead bank in the ICA, the total percentage of ICA lenders who have accepted the RP is 96%. Stop. It is further submitted that if the RP is not accepted, RHFL would be driven into liquidation. Stop. In such a situation, 19353 debenture holders who are getting 100% of the principal amount under the RP would not in any case get that amount. Stop. In such a situation, it is difficult to ascertain as to when and to what extent the secured and unsecured creditors would recover is accepted, provided that the amount should be paid prior to the end of the financial year 2022. On the contrary, submitted that there are 3 types of debenture holders. Stop. The first are those who have accepted the RP. The second are the ones who have dissented against the RP, and the third are the ones who have abstained from voting on the RP or were present but had not voted. Stop. He submitted that the option of opting out of RP, which has been given by this court in the case of Rajkumar Nagpal Supra, should be given to both the dissenting as well as the debenture holders who have abstained or were present but not voted. 3 for debenture holders. Full stop. Over.